Hello, it's Miss Jessica again, and today I'm so excited to do animal finger puppets. Ruff Ruff, isn't he cute? You'll need construction paper, glue, scissors, black marker, and googly eyes. Let's get started. Take your orange construction paper and fold it just like so. Next, we're going to grab our brown construction paper, fold it in half, and we're going to draw out his ears. Then we'll take our scissors and cut them out. Then we're going to take our red construction paper and draw out a tongue. And we're going to use our scissors to cut it out. Be sure to have adult supervision when using the scissors. Next, we're going to take our black construction paper and draw out his nose, and we're also going to cut that out. Now it's time to glue down our pieces. We're going to start gluing down his nose first. Then we're going to glue down his ears. And then his tongue. And lastly, we're going to glue down his eyes. And let's not forget to add our spots to his face. All done. Isn't he the cutest puppet? Arf, arf, arf. I had so much fun making this with you. If you decide to make one as well, please email me at jjohnson@mcls.ms. I would love to see your finger puppet. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you soon.